for number 5, so find the acute angle between the given curves. So x squared y plus 4y equals to 8 and x squared y equals to 4. So let's answer. So we'll let this curve will be our first curve, and this also our second curve. So we'll try to find y prime. So y prime is equals to m1, right? So also here y prime is equals to m2. So we have x squared, so have its first derivative, so x squared y prime plus y multiplied by 2x plus 4y prime is equals to 0. We'll have x squared y prime plus 2xy plus 4y prime is equals to 0. So we'll factor out y prime, so x squared plus 4 is equals to negative 2xy, right? So we'll have y prime is equals to negative 2xy all over x squared plus 4. So this is our value for m1. Y prime is equals to m1. So similarly for m2, so what is the equation? X squared y is equals to 4. So we'll have x squared y prime plus y multiplied by 2x equals to 0. So we'll have x squared y prime plus 2xy is equals to 0. So we'll have y prime is equals to 2. So negative 2xy all over x squared. So we'll have y prime is equals to m2 is equals to negative 2y all over x, right? So this is our value for m1 and m2. So we are the value of x and y are not available, so now try to find the value of x and y. So by using this given curves, so at x squared y equals to 4, x squared y is equals to 4, and at so what is the first curve? X squared y plus 4y. So x squared y plus 4y equals to 8. So we will have this value. So x squared y equals to 4. So 4 plus 4y is equals to 8. So we'll have 4y. So 4y. So 8 minus 4 is just equals to 4. So y is equals to 1. So similarly, we'll substitute this value. So at y is equals to 1. So x squared 1 is equals to 4. So x squared is equals to 4, right? So we'll have x is equals to square root of 4. So x is equals to positive and negative 2. So we'll have the ordered pair. So at 2 and 1 and negative 2 and 1. So we'll now find the value of m1 and m2, right? So what is the value of m1 here from our previous solve? So this is the value of m1. So negative 2xy all over x squared plus 4, negative 2xy all over x squared plus 4. So for m2, we'll have this value, negative 2y all over x. So negative 2y all over x. So I prefer to use this ordered pair, but you can also use this one because it is positive, right? So for m1 is equals to negative 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 all over x squared. So 2 squared plus 4. So we'll simplify further. So m1 is equals to negative 4 all over 4 squared plus 4 is just equals to 8. So m1 is equals to negative 1 half. So take note of that. So for m2, we'll have m2 is equals to negative 2 multiplied by 1 all over 2. So M2 here is equals to negative 1. So we are now having M1, M2. So let's solve it to the angle. So equation of to find the angle between two curves. So M2 minus M1 all over 1 plus M2 multiplied by M1, right? So we'll have tan theta is equals to what is the value of M2? Negative 1. So negative 1. So negative 1 minus. So what is the value of M1? Negative 1 half. So negative 1 half all over 1 plus. So M2. What is the value of M2? Negative 1. So negative 1 and negative 1 half. Absolute value. So after this one, we have tan theta is equals to. So now use calculator. So negative 1 plus 1 half. So it is negative 1 half. So we'll have negative 1 half all over. So we'll have 1 plus 1 half is equals to 3 halves, right? So we'll have 3 halves absolute value. So now having tan theta is equals to. So we'll have negative 1 all over 2 multiplied by 3. So multiply by 2. Right? So we'll cancel 2. After this one, we'll have tan theta is equals to the absolute value of negative 1 all over 3. So tan theta is equals to 1/3. So theta is equals to arctan of 1/3. So what is the value of arctan of 1/3? So by using calculator, it is 18.43 degrees. So 18.43 degrees. So this is our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Arctan of 1/3. So our answer here is theta equals to arctan of 1/3 and or 18.43 degrees. So our answer here is correct. So that's all for angle between two curves. So for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, MacProfPH. So see you in the next video.